Okay, well, let's go take a look. We just arrived at Lake Elsinore. Let's take a look at what we got here. The boat ramp is closed. The launch is over there. That one right there is closed. I think they have the one over the far right-hand side of the lake open. The rules and regulations. Some people down there fishing, and some people down there for the day, it looks like, just enjoying the beach. That box out on the lake is a cleaning device that they use to filter the water from the lake. They're trying to clean up Lake Elsinore, which is good. It's good news. It used to be really ugly. But they've been working hard. There's some boats out there playing. Airplane going over. Let's go see if we can get on the boat dock or not. They don't want you parking up there, but maybe we can walk up there. Let's see. Let's go take a look. Squirrel. Did you see the squirrel? He's right there. I'll go slow. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Do you see them on the rocks? Cute. Anyway, this is the old dock. The launch area that you would come and launch your boats from. They've had closed for quite a while. Years. Because there's just not enough water anymore. Water used to come all the way up here. They've got bathrooms. It's a nice place to come hang out during the day. Enjoy the birds. Some ducks out there on the water. They've got fire pits, picnic tables, and high afternoon winds, according to that yellow sign. That's actually a funny sign. That's pretty funny. Lots of people down there fishing. Interesting sounding birds in this tree. Who's living in the tent. Oh, one wondering who was living in that tent. Well, anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give you a view of Lake Elsinore. Water's kind of mucky, but they are working on it, as you can tell. With the building that they have out there, that's what it's doing. It's filtering the water. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.